Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decorating Ideas and Home Decoration Ideas, latest designing United States country style here and there. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you, in which you will be told how you will decorate your vintage kitchen design, and you can easily decorate your home decor and your kitchen decor in a very easy way. This is amazing nice looking of your favorite home interior and home kitchen design kitchen decoration ideas. And apart from this, you can see that what is fresh in the kitchens. There is a bowl on it. What design of the there should be installed. In this video you can see which type of tiles people have installing in their kitchens. It is amazing nice looking of your favorite home vintage kitchen design. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. It is great nice looking. So this again very beautiful black tables and black chairs. This is amazing nice looking. It is great nice look. So this again very beautiful looking. I hope you liked this video, and I am really excited to share this video your friends and your families. This is great nice looking of your favorite vintage kitchen decoration ideas and vintage kitchen decoration cabinets, latest designing United States country style. Thanks for watching this video.